Hey everybody, we are here at this wonderful house in the Bluffs community, which is a gated neighborhood here in Richmond Hill, Georgia, and I cannot wait to tell you a little bit about this house. Mark's here with me and we're going to show you around.
Come on, let's take a look. This one's got 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths. It's got a lanai out back that is screened in right off the lagoon. You've got the primary bedroom downstairs as well as another bedroom with a full bathroom.
Yep.
Come on, let's go check this thing out. As you come in, you'll notice it's got this great foyer with the tall ceilings in it. And then we come on into the formal dining room. It's an open floor plan here with hardwood floors all throughout. And we'll see what it changes through in the bedrooms and in the bathrooms. But the remainder of the house is going to have the hardwood flooring. It does have the formal dining room here. You'll also notice that it's got crown molding throughout the house, upstairs and downstairs. This particular window has automatic blinds on it that do come down at a specified time. And then you've got the large baseboards as well. And then we move into the main living space of the house. This also has the vaulted ceilings. And in here, you've got the gas fireplace as well. All of the brick around there is new. And then you've got the great big windows here in the living room as well. And when you look back the other direction, it's got a really cool staircase look to it that has the balcony that overlooks the living space. And then we'll move into the dining area. It does have a informal dining area right by the back door as well. This area does flow as well, like through the eat-in kitchen. And then we go into the kitchen here. You've got granite countertops. It's got all stainless steel appliances, electric stove, and then the backsplash that is ceramic tile as well. You also have a nice size pantry to go with all of the cabinets that you got here, so plenty of space for all of your stuff in the kitchen here.
Jerry, I'm fairly sure it's an induction cooktop, but I'll have to check that.
And then we go into the other side of the house here where we've got the laundry room. This laundry room has so much room. They've even added little things like an area to hang up your clothes to dry. You've got cabinets already in here, ceramic tile. You've got the same granite countertops that you got in the kitchen and here with a small set of cabinets, and then the area for your side-by-side washer and dryer. And then the full bath here on the main floor has ceramic tile in here as well. And you've got the granite countertops and then the full tub shower surround in this room as well. And then we move into the bedroom, which can also be used as an office here on the main floor. This one is off the back side of the house, got an awesome view out the back. And then we'll go see the primary. And get a good view of the house as we walk back through. The primary bedroom has its own little cove to get into it over here, makes it a little more private. And then it's got you have a double tray ceiling in here and the high ceilings. It still does have the hardwood floors in here. And then you got these 2 large windows that overlook the lagoon out the back, which is a nice view. And it also has another window on the side of the house that adds plenty of light. Primary bathroom, lots of room. You've got the jetted tub, and then you've got the shower that is, this thing is really large. It's also got a seat in it as well. And then all your accoutrements. It's got the dual vanity with the cultured marble countertop. The master or the primary closet has the built-in shelving, and it's large enough. It's got its own window, so it's looking out the front of the house, but it's also got this really cool shelving in here. And we'll go check out the upstairs. Coming up the stairs. stairs, they are the wooden steps that do match the hardwood flooring as well. And then when you get to the top, it's got this cool overlook, the balcony we saw on the bottom. It overlooks the living space. You've got this nice sized landing here at the top of the stairs as well. And then it goes off the front of the house. We've got a large bonus room that has access to the walk-in attic. If you've never had a walk-in attic, that is awesome. And then you've got another bedroom off of the guest side of the house here. This is a good size bedroom, and then the closets. This one particular closet actually has an extra little space in the back that they used for a safe, which works out pretty sweet. You've got another bedroom here off the back side of the house. All of these bedrooms upstairs are carpeted. And then you've got the full-size bath up here with the culture marble, the two vanities, and then it's got a separate area for the shower and the toilet, which is really nice when you have guests. And then this one also has a small closet upstairs as well, a linen closet. This one was doubled as a gun safe as well, as you can see. And the walk-in attic. Tons of room for all your Christmas stuff and everything else in here. And it does have access through the bonus room there as well. In the attic, which is located here, we've got spray foam, which is definitely helpful with your power bill.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to view these videos and other ones we put out.